Andreas Lawrence dari CXO Media. In this collaboration video between CXO Media and Great Mind, I'm going to talk about my version of finding purpose.
Hi, I'm Andreas Lawrence from CXO Media. In this collaboration video between CXO Media and Great Mind, I'm going to talk about my version of finding purpose.
Kenapa penting untuk punya tujuan dalam setiap hal yang kita lakukan? I think when we talk about purpose, memiliki satu tujuan, it's always important karena untuk mengingat kita kenapa kita melakukan itu dan juga cara kita melakukan itu, cara mengejar purpose tersebut.
Why it is important to have a purpose in everything we do. I think when we talk about purpose, having one goal is always important because it reminds us of why we do it, how we do it, and how to pursue it.
But I'm not talking about just one purpose, karena pertanyaan selanjutnya adalah, apakah tujuan kita bisa berubah ketika memulai sebuah hal yang setelah menjalaninya? Tentu bisa, karena we're talking about priorities here. And when we're talking about priorities, itu bisa berubah dalam sekejap. Seperti misalnya di pandemi, prioritas kita mungkin adalah membeli handphone baru atau memiliki rumah. Nah, prioritas tersebut berubah karena pandemi menjadi kesehatan misalnya, atau kebutuhan keluarga. It all varies, and that's the beauty of, I guess, life. You never expect what you're gonna get.
But I'm not talking about just one purpose, because the next question is, can our goals change when we start something and after doing it? Of course you can, because when we talk about priorities, they can change instantly. When we talk about priorities, for example, during a pandemic, our priority may be buying a new cell phone or owning a house. Now that priority has changed due to the pandemic. To health, for example, our family needs and all varies, and that's the beauty of, I guess, life. You never expect what you're gonna get.
Nah, sekarang bagaimana cara menemukan tujuan yang cukup kuat untuk menjadi motivasi kita menjalankan suatu hal? Now again, ketika mencari sebuah purpose atau sebuah tujuan, lo harus menemukan what matters to you. For me, it's my family, say. But for you, maybe your happiness is in different forms. Now that is what I call priorities and finding purpose.
Now, how do we find a goal that is strong enough to motivate us to do something? Again, when we set a goal, you must find that what matters to you. For me, it is my family, but for you, maybe your happiness is in different forms, and that is what I call priorities and finding purpose.
Apa yang kita lakukan kalau ternyata yang kita lakuin itu tidak selaras dengan tujuan kita? Now, I think this is unique and also interesting karena seringkali kita merasa bahwa ada momen untuk kita mutar balik. But always remember, the winners don't quit and quitters never win. Jadi you never know unless you finish it.
What to do when our lives are not following our goals? Now, I think that is unique and also interesting because we often feel that there is a moment for us to turn back. But always remember, the winners never quit and the quitters never win. And you never know unless you finish it.
Bila memang tidak sesuai dengan tujuan kita, mungkin tujuannya berbeda. Terkadang tujuan akan lebih mudah ditemukan saat kita sedang berada di masa kesulitan. Nah, bagaimana cara menemukan tujuan kalau kita sedang berada di zona nyaman? I think to remember the moment when you're in the position where you're really having fun atau berada di posisi yang sangat nyaman, selalu diingat bahwa posisi itu adalah posisi yang sangat enak.
Sometimes goals will be easier to find when we are in trouble. So how do we find goals in our comfort zone? I think to remember the moment when you are in the position when you're really having fun or being in a very comfortable place, always remember that position is very comfortable.
Now, if you really want to have that moment, you remind yourself how you got to that moment. Karena that's what matters, I guess, overall. Karena if you really want to be in the moment di mana lo sangat nyaman, lo pasti ingat cara-cara lo untuk berada di posisi itu. Ketika di momen kesulitan, yang lo ingat simple sekali. Lo harus ingat bagaimana cara menjadi zona nyaman tersebut.
If you want to have that moment, you remind yourself how you get that moment, because that's what matters, I guess, overall. Because if you really want to be in the moment when you are very comfortable, you must remember how you did to be in that position. In moment of difficulty, what you remember is very simple. You have to remember how to become that comfort zone.
So I think that's one way, and good luck in finding a purpose.
So I think that's one way, and good luck in finding your purpose.